Hello, this is Emil, and in this video, I will explain to you one of the most important features that Signit provides, which is to replicate your signature initials and your stamp to your document when you start signing. Beginning with the interface, this is what the signer will see once they open the document, and by clicking on Start Signing, they will be directed to the signatures that are assigned to them to start filling them in. So we're going to begin first of all with the signature right here. You have multiple options. You can use a saved signature. You can draw the signature or type it or upload it if you have it saved in your document. And by clicking or ticking the autofill all signature fields, in this way, all of the fields that are assigned to you will be filled automatically. So for example, if we click on the saved signature right here and clicking on insert, it will be added directly, saving you a lot of time and effort in signing your document. The same thing happens for the stamp. You can select the stamp and make sure that the autofill all stamp fields is checked, and then click on insert, and it is added to all of the required fields, as you can see right here, till the end of the page. The same also happens for the initials. For the initials, for example, let's say we're going to type the initials. Make sure that the autofill all signature fields is checked. Click on insert, and the same thing will happen to all of the fields of the initials. They will be autofilled immediately to help you finish your document faster.